ways of doing that, three simple steps. First, awareness. Second, pause. Third, practice. So, like an app, APP. So, the first thing is awareness. Ask a friend or a colleague, how fast do you think I talk? Am I too fast, too slow? Or record yourself so you can hear yourself and give an objective assessment. Secondly, pause. Start to learn to be comfortable in silence, taking some time. And then when you get to the third part is practice. Do a recording of yourself. Turn your camera on for 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Speak extemporaneously and notice what is the pace with which you're speaking. Is it too fast? If it is, start to breathe more. Start to take those pauses. Is it too slow? Practice some tongue twisters, speaking a little bit more quickly, seeing how that comes across when you're speaking. And then doing an evaluation of yourself and saying, I like that speed. It's kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. This bed is just right.